What is Crypto National Reserve? A Crypto National Reserve is a strategic holding of cryptocurrencies and digital assets maintained by a central bank or government as part of its official reserve assets. Similar to how countries traditionally hold gold, foreign currencies, and other financial instruments, these digital reserves serve as a store of value and provide backing for the national currency. How does it work? The implementation of crypto national reserves typically follows several key principles. Diversified portfolio. Countries allocate a portion of the reserves to various cryptocurrencies, often prioritizing established options like Bitcoin and Ethereum alongside stablecoins. Custodial infrastructure. Specialized security systems in cold storage solutions protect these digital assets with military-grade encryption and multi-signature authorization protocols. Regulatory framework. Governments establish clear legal structures defining how these reserves are managed, audited, and reported.